Loosen the jam nut on the back of the brake. Then spin the silver rod clockwise until completely loosened. Lift the brake cylinder upwards. Remove the locking cotter pin from the clevis pin. Remove the clevis pin from the pedal arm, then remove the cylinder. Remove the top two screws holding the protective cover. And loosen the locking screw. Remove the protective cover from the load cell. Use the included wrench to remove the ball head from the sensor. Replace the ball head connector with the P-HYS connector. P-HYS connector too low. P-HYS connector too high. Place the ball head into the slot. Align the pin holes on both the connector and P-HYS, then insert the pin. Tighten the jam nut on the P-HYS sensor connector using the supplied wrench. Remove the pin from the assembly. Lift the rear part of the P-HYS cylinder upwards. Slide the cylinder off the pedal arm, then remove the P-HYS cylinder from the frame. Install the sensor protector. Align the P-HYS and insert the pivot pin. Tighten the two locking screws to secure the pin and cylinder. Insert the clevis pin. Insert the locking pin. Loosen and remove the preload cap. Then remove the pressure pads from the container. If the pressure pads are stuck to the cap, simply pry it off. Using the suggested combinations. Create and place the new pressure pads onto the preload cap. Then insert the preload cap into the container and tighten the cap.